All right, let's take a tour of the newly updated Swan Resort Hotel. Again, this is a basic deluxe king room. This is pretty standard for a standard restroom split for the Swan and Dolphin hotels. You can see that you have basically like a powder area, nice appointments. You have a makeup mirror with a magnifying glass on the back, backlit mirror. You have a pretty decent hair dryer. Then right behind you have a decent sized closet. You do have the basic iron and ironing board, your wall safe. You also have robes provided by Swan and Dolphin there. They are not yours to take home though. Part of the update is that they've redone the closet doors. They're nice and heavy, so be careful with your fingers. I'm interested to see how well they hold up with wear and tear. You have nice wooden hangers. There's also right above you have pillows and other bedding that you might need. You can see how nice the hinges are. I was quite impressed, honestly, as I'm opening this. I had to open and close a couple of times just because I like the way the hardware was nice and durable. I hope it holds up to lots of guests. You can see the brand new hardware on there. Now the artwork inside the bathroom, I don't think they updated that, but it still looks just nice enough. Basically the same mirror with the backlit. Again, nice enough toiletries. Sorry about the lighting. I'm still learning how to do the camera. Lots of storage underneath again. Then in the actual shower itself, you have the split shower head that with the detachable shower wand. Unfortunately, they did not replace those in the update, which I was a little disappointed about. And you do have on your left all of the shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. Okay, and on to the actual room. You can see right here on your left, you do have the credenza. They did not change those out in the update, but there's drawers in there, and then there's a refrigerator / cooler in there. You have a coffee maker, etc. Now you can see your king bed. You have a duvet cover and fresh linens, 2 bedside tables with lots of storage underneath. There also is a little, I think, an ice bucket and some other drink supplies under there. They will replenish those for you because this is a Marriott Deluxe hotel. One of my favorite parts of the update are these large wooden panels. You can see behind the TV there. They make the room look nice and modern to me. Please ignore our items. Those are from us, not a mess left in the room. We do travel with a wagon. You can see all of our things in there. We found that really helpful to us. I'll go through how we pack that, and also I need to reset them and make them a little neater. In the room is included, you have a rolling table / desk. Brian uses that a lot and enjoys it to do lots of work there. The chair looks like it is brand new and it's nice and leather and updated. The lamp looks like that it's been updated with a new cover or a lampshade. Another large panel on that wall. It really adds a lot of character and decor to the room. You can see the sofa there has been updated or either recovered. I honestly can't remember. And the same with the footstool. Either it's been recovered or updated. You can see the LVP on the floor. It looks like LVP to me. And then now they've added just an area rug. Nice artwork. I love the theme that they've gone with, like nautical, Florida, that theme. Now over the bed, because this is a king, you'll see that they've built the headboard into the bed, and I'm pointing out these little leather strips. They're kind of equestrian looking, but somehow they go with the theme of the room and just give it an updated, elevated look. This is another really nice touch in the update. It's this accent wall with this beautiful blue, and then it has that same golden, almost a bronzy orange color that really matches the Swan Resort. So if you've ever been there, to me it's a harken kind of throw over to the Swan Resort. It's just a nice touch with some mirrors, but they turn it into artwork. Now just another pan of the room, and this is a deluxe king room with a balcony. Thank you to manager Ken, who gave us a little Disney magic, Marriott magic, and gave us a balcony room. Oh my goodness, y'all. This was so lovely. We arrived, it's probably about 10:30 at night when we're in there. I'm so tired. But this view, if you have never been here, you're actually looking at the boardwalk. You're looking over into the boardwalk right now. You can hear the sounds of the ferry boats coming. You can hear the wind blowing, probably some birds in the background. It's just a lovely, lovely, relaxing view and sounds. We love to be here. This is one of our weekend adventure hangout spots. Just love it here. And where that tree is, there's a palm tree, and then it looks like maybe an oak tree or something right there below the balcony to your right where I'm panning. That is a little courtyard for special occasions like weddings. The last time we were there was a wedding there, and they have these garden lights up and kind of like look like fairy lights or garden lights, and it's just a beautiful place. I think there is maybe a fire pit, and you can see someone walking. I think it's an employee. I'll point that out, that there's an employee or someone down there. Last time we were there, as I mentioned, there was a wedding. It's just so peaceful. It can be romantic, relaxing, whatever you need it to be. I just love hanging out there. Somehow the world is just, all problems are gone. The world's a better place when we're there. I'm panning back to the left. You're actually looking onto the boardwalk there. You can see the beach club, the yacht club, the boardwalk hotel. So panning back to the left, you can see the bridge. It goes over onto the boardwalk area. And now that hotel that we're panning over to on the left, that is the Dolphin, which is the sister to the Swan. And I'll show you in other footage how they're connected. There's a pathway. You don't have to go over water to get to it, and it's really not that far. It kind of looks far. And what I'm pointing out right now is our favorite place to hang out at the Dolphin. I'm having a little trouble finding our favorite room. Oh, wait, I'm finding it. There it is. I'm almost there. That's our favorite room. We love that place, and I'm just saying, hey, that's our favorite hangout spot for weekend adventures over at the Dolphin. Please don't take it from us. Just kidding. If you get it first, fair enough. All right, so if you could pan hard to the left, you would actually see the Swan Resort. It's a newer, more modern, smaller boutique style hotel, but it is a little further away. And sad to say, our stay at the Swan is over. I'm always sad when it's over. I love weekends here. Hope you enjoyed. Let us know in the comments below if you have questions or what your thoughts or comments are. Again, this is one of my very first videos. I'm still learning how to use the camera. I'm still learning what is interesting to you guys. I hope you find this helpful. Let me know in the comments.